Every rep gets different training. Some ramp in 3 months, others take 9, and you can't explain why because you don't know what's actually sticking. You'd train every new hire yourself if you could, but you can't scale yourself, and the moment you hand off training, consistency disappears. That's where Aviso's AI sales coach avatar comes in. Here's how it works. You build a certification program in minutes. Pick the recordings from your library. Tag the skills you need them to master: pricing negotiation, objection handling, product positioning. Set the difficulty level and assign it to your team. Now your new rep logs in. The AI sales coach avatar walks them through every recording, explains the methodology, and shows them the right talk tracks.
Hi Sarah, welcome to your Aviso Company Overview certification. I'll walk you through the core modules and then test your understanding. Ready?
Yeah, let's go.
A prospect asks, how is Aviso different from Clary? Take me through your positioning.
Aviso is the only platform that combines AI-driven forecasting with conversational intelligence and agentic workflows in one platform, giving revenue leaders full pipeline visibility without switching tools.
Strong summary. Add a quick value outcome like, so leaders can make better decisions and hit revenue targets with confidence.
Your rep gets a score based on how well they've absorbed the material, where they're strong and where they need more work. The result? 60% faster ramp time, because your reps aren't learning on live deals anymore. This is Aviso's AI Sales Coach Avatar, built for revenue execution. Explore more at aviso.com/agentic AI platform.